Well, beautiful day. Beautiful day. We're getting it installed. This is the company doing it. We've had them do a couple. Good company, reputable in the Yuma area. There's their phone number. Here's our little box. He's putting, he's already measured it, and for the arms come down, and got his holes drilled. Now he's putting the awning up here. This is the part that amazes me. They can do this by themselves. So he's putting that up. Brian's his name. Nice feller. He's got to slide that awning all the way down this track right here. Let me get shade. If I can get to the shade. That little track there where you slide that down. Looks like it's a little boogered on that end. Okay, on this end though. Then the tracks itself will be sliding right down through here. And yeah. We'll see how he does that. Uh-oh, problems. I don't know. Problems. They don't slide that way. That's not good. Well, we'll cut back in here when he starts. Almost got it all the way in.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
That's what she was hoping she'd say. Past that little area there, looks like it'll be okay. It'll be much easier.
Yeah.
Looks more open.
Hope so.
Gary's doing the heavy lifting.
That's the first time I've seen Gary use his hand to help hold that up. Look.
I'm gonna go get some lunch. I'll be right back.
Ain't no ferry too far away. I can't hear your insults.
Okay, good.
Huh?
Oh, come on, girl.
We're gonna run out of arm here.
I know. I'm gonna move back so I can.
I can move the pipe. We can hold it here, and I'll move the ladder over. I can hold more. Put this ladder over there, then I can hold it.
Okay.
I can stand on this one. Well, I can't. I'm using my elbow here to hold it.
Gotcha.
So, you
All right.
fly. Flutter like a butterfly.
Yeah.
I hold this. We move that one sideways. We're going to turn this one sideways. Go a little further in. Move this ladder right to here, and then you can reach over and hold it. I'm sure you're going to be that way. Then I can move this ladder over.
I can understand.
Yeah. Like so. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Look at me scamper like a little squirrel.
Is that what that was?
Assume the position.
Good job, Gary. I'm so proud of you.
You're gonna sleep good tonight.
Uh-huh.
There we go. Come on, bastard.
Hang on, I can get it.
I get it.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
I left it behind. Don't stretch.
Oh, that's
That's
going
the way it's
on
supposed to happen the first time.
way
huh?
smoother.
Do I need to?
Nope, I got it.
Okay.
That were a booger.
Now we definitely want to mark that down if Gary did do work.
Yeah. You're tall, can you reach that clamp?
Oh, as far as you can go.
Yeah.
I can get. Oh, hang on.
I got it. I'll just roll over to.
Can you stand on that little step stool?
Well.
No, Forrest, jump.
Jeez.
Hang
little
on,
heavy.
I'm gonna be right here.
All I gotta do is unclamp this. Here, just hold on to that thing while we're gonna roll it down. So we're gonna let it kind of, yep.
Let it rock down slow. Huh? Look at that. That's pretty nice. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Oh yeah. Good choice, Brian.
Nice. I like that color.
Thank you, Jesus. That's over with, huh?
Look at the sweat he did. Look at it roll. Its first roll.
Oops.
I don't like it when the guy installer goes, oops.
Damn it, boy. That does look pretty cool.
It looks white.
Cool. Now we got to do it. See, we got to carry that little battery pack around with us to roll it in and out.
Oh, bullshit.
That's cool. Got that part.